In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Visio easily and efficiently. Whether you're new to Visio or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you access this powerful diagramming tool in just a few steps. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type Microsoft Visio and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Microsoft Visio page and click on it. You'll recognize it by the official Microsoft branding. Now that you're on the Microsoft Visio homepage, take a look around. At the top right corner, you'll see the option to sign in. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login page. If you have a Microsoft 365 account that you frequently use, you might find that you're automatically signed in. If that's the case, you're already a step ahead. But if not, don't worry. For those who aren't signed in automatically, you'll need to manually enter your details. Begin by typing in your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure it's correct, as any typos could prevent you from accessing your account. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Be cautious here, as passwords are case-sensitive. If prompted, provide any additional information that may be required, such as a two-factor authentication code. It's an extra layer of security, ensuring that your account remains safe. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. This page acts as a central hub for all your Microsoft 365 apps and services. Here, you will see an icon labeled Apps. Click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all apps available within your Microsoft 365 suite. Now, the final step involves locating Visio among these apps. You can either scroll through the list or use the search feature to find it quickly. Once you spot the Visio icon, click on it. And just like that, you're now ready to start using Microsoft Visio to create your diagrams and flowcharts. If at any point you encounter issues, remember that the Microsoft support page is a great resource for troubleshooting. Additionally, having your login credentials and any necessary security authentication tools, like your phone for code verifications, on hand can save time and frustration. I hope you found this guide useful in navigating the login process for Microsoft Visio. With these steps, accessing Visio should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Visio.